Hey there, mindful declutterers. Today I'm continuing in my series on the cost of clutter. Today we're going to talk about what really, in my mind, maybe is the most frightening or the highest cost of clutter, and that is the cost to your energy, to your to your comfort, to your soul, to your ability to live and breathe and feel happy and productive and magical in your space. And that is the energetic cost of clutter. This strikes to the heart of the work that I do, what I help people with. You can feel it. You can pretend that you don't. You can try to tune out all the things in your life that you know deep down are not serving you, but it is still costing you energy. What do I mean by that? It takes energy to pretend that it doesn't matter. It takes energy to pretend that you don't see it, that you don't feel it, that it does not affect you in any way. There's little tiny strands of energy connecting you to everything in your home, in your life, in your car, in your purse, in your briefcase. And as you release things that no longer serve you, you free up that life force energy. So let's get going with that, folks. Let's start freeing up that energy that you deserve to have back, that can then let all kinds of wonderful things flow into your life. The energetic cost of clutter is huge. It is the main thing. We'll be talking more about the costs of clutter, so stay tuned for that.